what's your bag, man? I'm the van of the hour, man. Whoa! Watch it, man! Oh! What's up, man? Hey! Oh! Ah, that's a drag. Take it easy. Oh! Sellouts. Ah! Hey, this road's for everyone, man. Road hog. Chill out. I'm a Pisces. Peace, man. Ah! Oh! Oh. Oh, yeah. Score. Oh. McQueen. Can you, come over here? Oh, Mater! Mater! Oh, Mater. I know I could count on you. Make way, dude. Make it stop! Here comes the magic bus. I must be low on gas or something. I'm a lover, not a fighter, man. Lean, green, speed machine. Later, dude. Hey, it's my karma, man. Just go with it, man. I'm moving to a higher plane. Hey, man, what happened? Hey, Lightning Man. Hey, dude, come here. Heavy. Hang loose. Oh! Oh, it's like the forces of nature are holding me back, man. Fly away, my friend. Be free. So not feeling good right now, dude. Dude, yes. The world is spinning. Cosmic. I may have crossed the finish line first, but we're all winners on the inside, man. Whoa, conserve your fuel, man. I think you ought to pull over, man. Catch you later, man. Ah, I can't look. Dude's either a Cancer or a Scorpio, man. Bad karma, man. I was starting to feel all alone out here, man. Whoa! Whoa! Far out, man. Breathe. Breathe. What's going on? My chi must be really low today. Not enough yang energy. My horoscope was right this morning. That was harsh, man. Oh, bummer. It's all a conspiracy. Wow. That cloud looks like a horse, man. Or a zebra. What's up, Lightning? Hey, fast dude. Groovy, man. Whoa. Whoop. Way cool, man. Way cool. Like, wow, man. Oh, way. Show some love, friend. Ow! So much hostility, man. Come on, I dent easy, man. Hey, what was that for? Oh, come on. Not cool. Need to balance my chi. Wow, man. It's like Mater to the rescue. It's like I'm channeling the power of nature, man. Harsh.